Greetings everyone, Core here for another and probably last unboxing of the Miss Kobayashi Dragon Maid trading card game. But we shall see if we get more. But let's see. Still have not gotten one of the artist signature cards. I guess they're really hard to get. And if we don't get one in this one, we'll probably never get one. Alright, so our promo card, hey, it's not a Kana, so that's great, because we have quite a few of the Kanas. Our packs, make sure there's nothing else in it, because apparently they give out points, and some of them that we saw in the last one. So let's get right into it. Hopefully we pull that artist signature card. That would be awesome. But really, as long as we pull some nice cards, I don't mind. These are always very cool to watch and look at. So we shall see in a short amount of time what we get from these packs. Oh, so we do, yeah, I believe this one is an MDR. We have not gotten it. I don't even, have we gotten yeah, you see her little logo. I know we've gotten this card regularly. Her little symbol, actually I don't think that's on her regular card version. I think she's just wearing a regular green shirt, but she has her self symbol on the on her shirt. That's pretty cool. Definitely new, so that's great. Of course, one of my favorite arts, we have the hair down Kana as well. That is a nice pack that we pulled. So we pull it MDR very quickly. So we still got at least one more of those left, but we still could get some nice secrets, rares, and stuff like that, because I don't think they count as the MDRs. I think they're their own class. They might take up a slot of an MDR, but I mean, we'll see when we get there. We get a swimsuit, Miss Kobayashi, summertime poolside fun. Which we have Toru, Kana, and Kobayashi now with the swimsuits. Is that one glossy? No, it's a little tough to tell some of these. So hopefully we can get well, if there is one of Alma and Lucula. Speaking of Alma, in the poolside, that would complete the set, I would assume. There are just so many cards, because we're still getting cards that we haven't gotten. Of course, we're getting a lot of cards that we have, but they're very nice cards that I do not mind having extras of. Because, I mean, yeah, all the cards we're getting a lot of extras of are the commons and uncommons, which, I mean, duh, they're commons and uncommons, so it's kind of a given you're going to get a lot of those anyways. That's not a glossy one, right? No. Oops. Get this spot. Those always seem to coincide with each other. Could just be me. Oh, that one was very Lackluster. So this pack, I bet, is probably gonna be a banger. Oops, almost lost another card. Luckily, it's just common, uncommon. Oh my god. I'm just going through these a little too fast. They're getting out of my grip. Okay, so I lied. That pack was not going to be a crazy banger. Still have one more MDR to go. Hopefully it's one that we haven't gotten yet. So there we go with the shirt. It's definitely zoomed. Okay, so she does have the design on her shirt. But it's zoomed in more on the regular card compared to the MDR. So that one was the gloss. So it is different. I mean, yeah, they are different, of course, but I mean, as far as, yeah, you can see the whole, you see more of her because it's like a zoomed out photo and not as close. Last 3 packs. And is this? No, this is a regular one, I think. Yeah. Last 2. I still need one more MDR, unless I missed one earlier. I'm pretty sure I didn't. There we go. So we do get Aurelia, Irul, Ilulu, or MDR, which we have not gotten her. I know that. Even in this art, I don't know if we have just the regular version of this one. Yeah, so that's cool. And then we still get a detailed Kana too. And then we get the spa. And our last pack. Looks like, unfortunately, we did not get a artist stamp. We do. Oh, that's cool, Kana. I like it. In a Toru. Yeah, it looks like we do not get an artist stamp, unfortunately. But we do get a lot of new cards that we haven't gotten yet. Our MDRs are, yeah, there we go. And just making sure I didn't put any of these. Yeah, these are all good. So there we go. That's our 2 hits for this one. I mean, it's, of course, whenever you open the boxes, you take the chance of not getting anything, you know, super rare, which granted, I probably broke even with each one of these boxes as far as the cards and rarities that are in it if I sold them and stuff. So it's not a big deal. Of course, you do want the signature ones because those are pretty much, you could buy several boxes if you were to sell one of those. And even the lowest priced one, it's still, you know, multiple boxes you could purchase with it. So yeah, man, I guess also just really rare because we've gone through 5 boxes so far and not a single one yet. But still very cool, very fun. So till next time, guys. Later.